Railway coach and wagon, ship, aeroplane, food are gifts of production engineering knowledge. The ability to design and manufacture these modes of transportation has revolutionized the way we travel and transport goods. From the comfortable seating in a railway coach to the efficient storage of cargo in a ship, production engineering has made transportation more convenient and accessible. The development of aeroplane food has also improved the overall travel experience, providing passengers with delicious meals at high altitudes. Without the advancements in production engineering, our modern transportation systems would not be as efficient or reliable. These innovations have truly transformed the way we move people and goods around the world. Production engineers play a crucial role in the manufacturing industry, ensuring that production processes are efficient and cost-effective. They are responsible for designing and implementing production systems, optimizing production schedules, and troubleshooting any issues that may arise. Production engineering involves a combination of technical knowledge, problem-solving skills, and project management expertise. Production engineers work closely with other departments such as design, quality control, and maintenance to ensure that production goals are met. They must stay up to date on the latest technologies and industry trends to continuously improve production processes. Overall, production engineers are essential in ensuring that products are manufactured efficiently and meet high-quality standards. Production engineering is considered one of the best engineering disciplines in India, with several top institutes offering specialized courses in this field. The course fee for production engineering programs varies depending on the institute, but it is generally affordable compared to other engineering disciplines. Graduates of production engineering programs have excellent job prospects in India, as the manufacturing industry continues to grow and evolve. With the increasing demand for skilled production engineers in various sectors, including automotive, aerospace, and electronics, the future looks promising for those pursuing a career in this field. Overall, production engineering offers a rewarding career path with opportunities for growth and advancement in India.